Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the middle spray arm in the Bosch dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new middle spray arm. The middle spray arm is installed at the bottom of the upper dish rack, washing dishes inside of it. The main reason why the middle spray arm should be replaced is if it cracks, causing low water pressure, or gets badly clogged with debris and stops turning. In both cases, the result is dirty dishes. Ugh. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Now we're going to pull out and remove the upper dish rack. Lift it and roll it out. Place it on the countertop. And we're going to close the door so it will be out of our way. I'm going to put it on the side. Now we need to pull this tab open so we can release it from this wire, and also there's two hooks from those two wires over there. And I'm going to use my both hands. I'm going to pull on the tab and push it on that back portion of the spray arm. And it slides off. This is the old middle spray arm next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we're going to place in a new middle spray arm. And it goes into this cutout here at the back. And these two hooks would be locking on these sides of this wire. I'm going to get it ready. Okay, I'm going to use both hands to push it in. Make sure it's locked. These two hooks are locked. All right, now I'm going to take this upper dish rack and place it into the dishwasher. Now we're going to open the door again. And I'm going to pull out the rails. And we're going to place that upper dish rack onto the rails. Make sure it goes on from both sides, and we're gonna push it in. Well, please pay attention to this position of the rail. We have three rollers. That rail could be installed at the bottom or in between those two upper rollers. That makes the upper dish rack goes higher or lower. Depends what you like to use. We can slide the dish rack in and close the door. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.